guys, I beg, let nobody stress you this Christmas because I'm about to show you how to make the easiest and the fastest creamy pasta. Oh yeah, wear your apron because it's time. So you're going to start by parboiling your penne pasta with salt and water, and then you drain. And guys, with this meal, no need to chop or prep anything because guess what we're going to be using, you guys? Our favorite Addmie. You guys already know that it's a perfect blend of vegetables, protein, and seasoning. If you want something, all you have to do is just to rehydrate in boiling water for a few seconds and then you drain. Now in a pan, you're going to add some butter, some tomatoes, and you're going to stir together and then add the Addmie seasoning. Get some cooking cream, pour it in, pour your pasta. And now to the pata of all the ingredients, the one that will add the final touch to your meal this Christmas. Addmie. On the first day of Christmas, my Addmie said to me, now we can officially open Christmas cooking with no single stress at all. Oh yeah, let's taste it together. You guys, so delicious. Our Addmie really added the final touch. Wait though, you think I'm just hyping it? Oh yeah, invite me to your house and I'll cook it for you live and direct. I'll still give you plenty gifts. For a surprise visit, just do a short video and tell us why your meal needs the final touch with Addmie. Post online and tag them with the hashtag and the caption. Can't wait to see you. Bye guys.